Legman, understanding the phrase. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a peculiar English phrase, legman. It may sound a bit strange when you first hear it, but by the end of this video, you'll grasp its meaning and know how to use it. Let's jump right in. First, let's break down the phrase. Leg refers to the limb we use to walk, and man refers to a person. Together, you might think it's simply describing a person with legs, but there's more to it. The phrase, legman, is colloquial and has its roots in American journalism. Historically, a legman referred to a reporter who collected information or conducted interviews out in the field while another journalist, often called the rewrite man, would craft the story back at the office. The legman would literally use his legs to move around and gather data. Today, while its journalistic connotation is less common, legman can be used more broadly to describe someone who prefers or is assigned to do field work or run errands. For instance, in a corporate setting, a legman might be someone who's responsible for on-site tasks while their colleagues work at the office. However, be cautious. The term can also be used in a more casual and playful context to describe someone who particularly admires or is attracted to legs, especially in terms of physical attraction. It's similar to saying someone is an eye man or hair man, indicating a preference for those features. To help you better understand, here are some examples of how you might use or hear the phrase. 1. In our team, Jake is the leg man. He always volunteers to meet clients in person. 2. Being a reporter in the 1950s meant you had to be a good leg man, always chasing the next big scoop. 3. I've never been much of an arm man. I've always been more of a leg man when it comes to physical attraction. And there we have it. The phrase, legman, has a rich history and can be used in various contexts, from professional to playful. We hope this video sheds light on its meaning and usage. Always remember, language is ever evolving, and phrases like this add color and depth to our conversations. Happy learning and see you in the next video.